In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Taobao shopping app 2025 step by step. If your Taobao app is showing menus in Chinese and you prefer English, I'll walk you through the exact places to tap and what each label looks like so you can switch quickly and confidently. Start by opening the Taobao app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. Some settings only appear when you're logged in, so it's best to confirm that first. From the home screen, look to the bottom right corner and tap My Taobao. You'll recognize it as the profile area, and it may display the Chinese text Wo De Taobao underneath the icon. Once you're on your profile page, head to Settings. This is usually found at the top right of the screen. You might see a small gear icon or three dots that open a menu where Settings appears. In Chinese, the settings label is Shiji. Tap that to open your app preferences. Inside Settings, look for General Settings, which is where Taobao keeps app-wide options like language. The Chinese label here is Tongyong. Go ahead and open that. Next, find the language option. It's clearly marked as Yuyan in Chinese. This is the place where you can switch the app's interface language. Tap Language to reveal the available choices. Now choose the option that best fits your needs. Some versions of the app show English, which may also be labeled Yingwen. Other versions offer an international version or global version shown as Guojiban. Selecting English typically changes most interface elements like menus and buttons. Choosing the international or global option can also adjust parts of the experience designed for overseas users. Either way, tap your preferred option to apply it. To make sure the change takes full effect, fully close the Taobao app and reopen it. On most phones, that means swiping away the app from your recent apps or force closing it, then launching it again. When it opens, your menus and common screens should now appear in your selected language. A quick note on expectations. Product listings, seller descriptions, and user reviews may still appear in Chinese because they're created by individual sellers. That's normal. The main navigation, account pages, and most system prompts should now be in English or the international interface you chose. If you don't see the language option, update the Taobao app to the latest version and check again, as availability can vary by region and app release. That's it. You've successfully changed the language in the Taobao